Today we'll be making a lemon Japanese cheesecake. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To start, separate your eggs and zest and juice your lemon. To a bowl, add in softened cream cheese and give it a mix. Make sure to scrape the bottom as it mixes. Then we'll add in condensed milk. Mix again on medium speed. Once incorporated, add in your egg yolks, lemon juice, and lemon zest. We'll then mix again on medium speed. Once mixed, move it to a large bowl and we'll go back to our stand mixer to beat our egg whites. This will take approximately 2 minutes on high speed. It will turn very fluffy and stiff. Once we get to stiff peaks, we'll move half of the egg whites into our mixture. Fold in gently. Once combined, mix in the remaining half. Again, fold gently. Move over to your lined springform pan. I'm using a 9-inch pan, but feel free to use a smaller one. Place your springform pan on a hot water bath. Now we'll bake at 325 for 45 minutes. Once finished baking, let it cool completely and refrigerate. Serve with icing sugar and there you have it, a delicious lemon Japanese cheesecake. Enjoy!